Thorn-prone gardening tasks demand gloves that balance protection, dexterity, and comfort. From rose pruning to blackberry thorns and cactus handling, a glove that compromises on material can lead to cuts, blisters, or accelerated wear. This review tests 5 thorn-proof gloves across a price range from budget to premium.
List number 1. Long gardening gloves, women and men, thorn-proof rose pruning heavy-duty gauntlet. Slarmer's long thorn-proof gauntlet combines full-grain cowhide palm protection with an extended elbow-length cuff, designed to shield forearms during rose pruning and handling prickly shrubs. The leather is described as 100% cowhide, offering durability, breathability, and non-toxicity compared with pigskin or goatskin. The keystone thumb and gun cut provide ergonomic flexibility, while the long cuff adds against scratches and dirt ingress for intensive pruning sessions. Performance-wise, the glove emphasizes protection without sacrificing dexterity. The full-grain cowhide palm resists wear under repetitive pruning cuts, and the elbow-length cuff reduces forearm exposure during thorny tasks. However, leather-based gloves can heat up in hot weather, and the size on this pack is large, which may not suit all hand shapes. The stitching appears robust, and the glove retains pliability, allowing tool control for grafting, branching, and delicate seedling work. The 4.7 out of 5 rating with thousands of reviews suggests consistent satisfaction, particularly for rose pruning and thorny plant handling.
List number 2. Leather work gloves for men or women. Large glove for gardening. WZQH's leather work gloves pair 100% split cowhide with a cotton lining for comfort and insulation, offering abrasion, puncture, and heat resistance suitable for heavy-duty tasks beyond gardening. Welding, construction. The glove emphasizes a reinforced palm and adjustable wrist closure to seal out dirt and debris, with a broad size range including large staples to fit many users. The coffee gray color adds a practical aesthetic for workwear. In practice, these gloves deliver strong protection for thorny plants and rough materials. The combination of thick split cowhide and a reinforced palm yields solid puncture and abrasion resistance, while the cotton lining promotes moisture management. The design supports prolonged use, though bulk and stiffness may limit fine motor control for delicate planting. Fit is adjustable via wrist closure, and the gloves are versatile for tasks like pruning, weed pulling, and light construction. A strong budget to mid-range option with broad applicability.
List number 3. Thorn-proof gardening gloves for women. Exbrosiflux offers a 2-pack of thorn-proof gloves built with a breathable nylon base and a 3X abrasion-resistant TPE palm. The blend prioritizes grip in wet and dry conditions with reinforced thumb and palm high-stress zones to resist wear during pruning and mulching. Being machine recyclable, these gloves target eco-conscious gardeners while delivering lighter weight and improved ventilation. Performance-wise, the 3X abrasion resistance from TPE coatings translates to extended lifespans on rough branches and heavy mulch tasks. The gloves maintain a secure grip on muddy shovels and wet planters thanks to the textured palm. The trade-offs include a lighter construction that may offer less forearm protection compared with gauntlets, and the olive green color and 2-pack framing are appealing for value-minded buyers who want a backup pair. Suitability includes pruning, trimming, and non-extreme thorn scenarios where dexterity and breathability are prioritized.
List number 4. Cowhide leather thorn-proof. Oizen's touchscreen-compatible gloves fuse cowhide leather with a breathable back and foam-padded palm for hand protection, plus adjustable cuff closures. The model emphasizes practicality for varied tasks including weeding, digging, and handling devices requiring intermittent phone use, with a medium size suitable for a common hand dimension. Performance-wise, the combination of leather durability and foam padding delivers solid puncture resistance with improved grip and comfort. The back material facilitates airflow, reducing heat buildup, while the touchscreen capability minimizes the need to remove gloves for device use. Dexterity remains adequate for delicate pruning and plant manipulation, though the palm padding could feel bulky to users who demand maximum tactile feedback. As a mid-range option, it balances protection with everyday utility.
List number 5. Handy Landy Rose Pruning Gloves for Men. Handy-Landy pairs pigskin leather with an elbow-length gauntlet for extended protection during rose pruning and thorny plant handling. The glove emphasizes breathability, puncture resistance, and reinforced palm and fingertips for durability across repeated pruning sessions. The long gauntlet design is a standout feature for forearm protection and rose-proof performance. Performance-wise, pigskin leather offers superior breathability and a lighter feel compared to full-grain cowhide, reducing heat buildup during long tasks. The reinforced palm and fingertips deliver dependable puncture resistance, while the elongated cuff helps keep scratches and debris out. As a premium option at $18.80, it justifies the higher price with specialized design for rose pruning and thorny shrubs. Though, users with very sweaty hands should note pigment transfer or moisture buildup in certain climates. Overall, a top pick for dedicated pruning sessions where forearm protection and comfort are paramount.